In today's video, I will teach you how to turn images into a Muppet-style portrait using AI. Let's get started. If you've ever wondered what you'd look like as a Muppet, complete with fuzzy textures, big googly eyes, and that iconic puppet-like charm, you can easily make it happen using AI. Photor's AI artifact offers a fun Muppet-style transformation that instantly turns your photo into a playful, puppet-inspired portrait. To do this, open your preferred browser and visit Photor AI Artifact. No installation or complicated setup is required. Everything works online. On the main page, click the Upload Image, then select the photo from your computer. Then choose a portrait where your face is clear and well lit. The Muppet effect works best with clean front-facing shots. And once your photo appears in the editor, look at the left side panel where the art styles are categorized. Then scroll down to the cartoon section, then select the Muppet option, and the AI will begin processing your image and transform you into a fuzzy Muppet-style character, complete with textured felt skin, rounded features, and cheerful character charm. To instantly check the transformation, click the Compare button at the bottom right. This shows the original versus a Muppet version side by side, and it's a quick way to see how much AI had changed your features. And if you're not fully satisfied with the first result, click the Regenerate button on the effect thumbnail, and each regeneration takes about 10 seconds, and every attempt gives you a new variation like different fuzzy textures, colors, or cartoon emphasis. So try regenerating a few times until you find the perfect puppet version of yourself. And if you plan to use this effect again, hover over the Muppet effect thumbnail. Then click the star icon to add it to your favorites. All saved effects appear in the Favorites section for quick and easy access next time. And once you're happy with the final result, click Download to save it to your computer. And here are some tips for best results. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.